Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today I will be talking about an artist who left us on April 12th, Asha Bhosle. This is like a memorial to her. Her voice and the voices of all the artists of her era formed a kind of musical background against which my life played out. This is what I feel. And with her passing, it just feels like a very personal kind of a loss. So what I'm going to do today is play a bunch of her songs that have special memories for me, as well as they're just songs that I really like of Asha Bhosle. So to begin with, this very sweet, playful, kind of a mischievous song that she sang for Madhubala in Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi. And she is absolutely spot on when she sings for Madhubala, because she has this blend of seduction, provocation, innocence, and just this very cute kind of mischief to her. The music was S.D. Burman with Majroo Saab writing the lyrics. So from Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi, Ruk Jao Na Ji, Aisi Kya Jaldi.
अरे 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 रुक जाओ ना जी, ऐसी क्या जल्दी, चुभ जाएगी पहलू में बिरहा की सुई, हुई रुक जाओ ना जी, ऐसी क्या जल्दी, चुभ जाएगी पहलू में बिरहा की सुई। ढली नहीं और चले तुम उठ के सनम, यूं न चलो इठला के अजी तुम्हें मेरी कसम। शाम ढली नहीं और चले तुम उठ के सनम, यूं न चलो इठला के अजी तुम्हें मेरी कसम। देखो बलम यूं न ढाओ सितम, नाजुक हूँ मैं तो जैसे छुई मुई, रुक जाओ ना जी, ऐसी क्या जल्दी, चुभ जाएगी पहलू में बिरहा की सुई।
Asha Bhosle's duets were legendary, especially the ones with Kishore Kumar. And this next one that I'm going to share with you is a duet with Kishore Kumar from the movie Jhumru. It is a complete rocking farce. The scene is also hilarious. Kishore Kumar and Madhubala on screen teasing Anup Kumar. Asha ji has entered into this mischief so wholeheartedly, it makes it a complete pleasure to listen to this song. The music was Kishore Kumar with Majroo Saab writing the lyrics. So from Jhumru, Jhumere 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 Dil Mera Dil Mera.
Hey Jhumere 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 Jhume Dil Mera Dil Mera, Jhumere 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 Jhume Dil Mera Dil Mera।
पतली कमर तिरछी नजर बाहर बा क्या कहना तेरा,
झुमेरे 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 झुमे दिल मेरा,
ये पतली कमर तिरछी नजर बाहर बा क्या कहना तेरा,
आई झुमेरे 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 झुमे
ढिंग पटापट ढिंगड़ी पको।
लहरा के मस्ती में न चलो झुके झुके, दुनिया ये कहती है कि जरा रुके रुके। लहरा के मस्ती में न चलो झुके झुके, दुनिया ये कहती है कि जरा रुके रुके।
मैं न मानूंगा इसे, ये तो बातें हैं तेरी, नजर आती है मुझे दुनिया हरी हरी। यार भाई भाई यार भाई भाई यार भाई भाई यार, अरे मस्त है मस्त हुए बारे बरखुरदार, अरे बारे बरखुरदार, अरे बारे बरखुरदार दार दार।
घूमेरे नाचे रे डडा डडा सनम मेरा, झूमेरे 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 झूमे दिल मेरा।
ये पतली कमर तिरछी नजर बाहर बा क्या कहना तेरा,
झूमेरे 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 झूमे।
Bank Manager. This was a movie that came out 1959, I want to say. It's basically a forgotten movie. Not such a great movie, flopped at the box office as well. But there is an absolutely perfectly created romantic solo by Asha ji in this movie. Music was Madan Mohan with three lyricists, Anwar Farrukhabadi, Indivar Saab and Jalal Malihabadi, who wrote this one. It's picturized on Meenu Mumtaz, who actually has acted this song out very well. And I encourage all of you to just watch this video, this scene. It's beautiful. The movie itself, no great shakes. And interestingly enough, it was Madan Mohan's birth anniversary yesterday. So this is sort of a memorial to both of them together in this one song. From Bank Manager, Sabah se ye keh do ki kaliyan bichha de.
सबा से ये कह दो कि कलियां बिछाए, वो देखो वो जाने बाहर आ रहा है, चुरा ले गया जो इन आँखों की नींदें, वही लेके दिल का करार आ रहा है, सबा से ये कह दो। ये कौन आ गया दिल को करता इशारे, कि बहती सदा मुस्कुराए नजारे, कदम बढ़ के तू चूम ले मोहब्बत के दिल को, बहुत उन पे प्यार आ रहा है, सबा से ये कह दो कि कलियां बिछाए, वो देखो वो जाने बाहर आ रहा है, सबा से ये कह दो।
As all of you Asha ji fans know, her nuancing or doing this thing where she would change a particular phrase or a word or even a whole line in the song, it was absolutely fantastic the way she did it, and it just enhanced the song so much. It could be, you know, one of the lines in the chorus, or it could be like a word within the last line of a verse or the second line of a verse even. She just, you know, unerringly picked what would enhance the song and do it ever so beautifully. For me, this song from Kashmir Ki Kali exemplifies that. In the verse, in the chorus, there's the word behekna that comes in. Every single time she sings it differently. And she does it oh so beautifully. Music, O.P. Nair with S.H. Bihari writing the lyrics, and he actually was Asha ji's favorite lyricist. So from Kashmir Ki Kali, Balma Khuli Hawa Mein.
बलमा खुली हवा में महकी हुई फिजा में दिल चाहता है मेरा बहकना इधर उधर
memorial to Asha ji would be incomplete without a cabaret which was acted out by Helen. The two of them made a fabulous pairing. Helen, for some reason, really synced with Asha ji, I think, and Asha ji also gave a certain dignity to Helen's role in whatever movie it was that she sang for. There's a beautiful one from Talash, which I feel is not appreciated enough. There is a fantastic kind of humming intro to the song, and Helen on screen absolutely sparkles, and Asha ji in playback absolutely sparkles. Music, S.D. Burman with Majroo Saab's lyrics. So from Talash, कर ले प्यार कर ले के दिन है यही.
कर ले प्यार कर ले के दिन है यही, पर चोरी से कोई देखे ना कहीं. कर ले प्यार कर ले के दिन है यही, पर चोरी से कोई देखे ना कहीं. अरे पागले नजर मिला जहाँ मिले तुझे कोई हंसी. कर ले प्यार कर ले के दिन है यही, पर चोरी से कोई देखे ना कहीं. कर ले प्यार कर ले के दिन है यही, पर चोरी से कोई देखे ना कहीं. छूकर भिन शोलों के जलना, रंगी होठ किसी के छूकर भिन शोलों के जलना. आँख में आंखें डाल के कुछ ना कहना और मचलना. अरे हाँ अरे हाँ अरे आके संभाले कोई तो फिर न संभलना. अरे पगले नजर मिला जहाँ मिले तुझे कोई हंसी. कर ले प्यार कर ले के दिन है यही, पर चोरी से कोई देखे ना कहीं.
I also like the way she sang for Aruna Irani. Aruna Irani also was one of those artists who was cast as the vamp for reasons God knows why. She, I think, was actually an immensely talented actor, and the movie Caravan, she plays this incredibly multifaceted, complex character. In fact, I think it was a better role than Asha Parikh's role in the movie. And this particular song, she plays some kind of a itinerant entertainer kind of a role, and she is trying to convince Asha Parikh that Jitendra and she are both in love with each other. The reason for this, you guys will have to watch the movie to figure that out. But the song itself is fantastic, and Aruna Irani is amazing on screen. So the music, of course, absolute classic combination. Majroo Saab, Pancham, and Asha ji, of course. And interestingly enough, tomorrow is Pancham's birth anniversary. So from Caravan, अब जो मिले हैं तो बाहों को बाहों में रहने दे साजना.
अब जो मिले हैं तो बाहों को बाहों में रहने दे साजना. सच्चे के झूठे हैं होठों को होठों से कहने दे साजना. ना ना अब जो मिले हैं तो बाहों को बाहों में रहने दे साजना. सच्चे के झूठे हैं होठों को होठों से कहने दे साजना. ना ना अब जो मिले हैं तो हाय रे हाय रे हाय रे साजना. होगा फिर ये भूल जा, क्या होगा फिर ये भूल जा। हाँ, अब जो मिले हैं तो बाहों को बाहों में रहने दे साजना, सच्चे के झूठे हैं होठों को होठों से कहने दे साजना। ना ना, अब जो मिले हैं तो हर 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 साजना।
Of course, it would be incomplete not to have a duet with her sister. This particular one from Jahan Ara with Madan Mohan's music, Rajendra Krishan's lyrics, it's very, very pretty. On screen, you have Meenu Mumtaz, who has Lataji as her playback, and a very, very young Aruna Irani, for whom Asha Ji is playback. It's a very sweet ghazal as well. So from Jahan Ara, जब जब तुम्हें भुलाया तुम और याद आए।
जब जब तुम्हें भुलाया तुम और याद आए, जब जब तुम्हें भुलाया तुम और याद आए, तुम और याद आए, तुम और याद आए, जाते नहीं है दिल से अब तक तुम्हारे साए, जाते नहीं है दिल से अब तक तुम्हारे साए, जब जब तुम्हें भुलाया। तुमसे बिछड़ के हमने दिल को बहुत संभाला, दिल को बहुत संभाला, तुमसे बिछड़ के हमने दिल को बहुत संभाला, तुमसे बिछड़ के हमने दिल को बहुत संभाला, दिल को बहुत संभाला। गुलशन में ये न बहला, गुलशन में ये न बहला, सहरा में भी सताए, तुम और याद आए, जब जब तुम्हें भुलाया।
For the final song today, I have an absolutely fantastic classical piece by her from the movie Lekin. Gulzar Saab's lyrics and her own brother Hridaynath Mangeshkar's musical composition. It is set in an exquisite rag, Rag Bilas Khani Todi, which has a hugely melancholic feel to it. And Asha Ji has brought out the essence of that rag as well as the essence of the lyrics incredibly well. And here's the fun part. I have heard Gulzar Saab talk about this song in an interview. Everyone assumes that the lyrics are Jhoote naina bole sanchi batiya, which means your lying eyes are telling me the actual truth. But Gulzar Saab, being Gulzar Saab, has actually written Jhoote naina bole sanchi batiya. Jhootha is to taste something. You know, when among friends, you take a bite of an apple and then you offer that apple to someone else. That apple is now Jhootha. So she is saying, your eyes have seen someone else and been seen by someone else. So this means you're cheating on me. So it's Jhoothe naina bole sanchi batiya. If you listen to the song, you'll notice that Asha Ji has sung it absolutely accurately. The first time I heard this song, I was very shocked because I too thought it was Jhoote Naina Bole, which would have fit perfectly anyway. And I was thinking, how can Asha ji, of all people, make such a mistake in her pronunciation? Turns out I was wrong, she was right, and that the lyrics were very different. And another very interesting aspect, and what would have been a real tragedy, is that Gulzar Saab nearly dropped the song from the movie. But he didn't, thankfully. Apparently she and both Hridaynath Mangeshkar and she actually really fought for the song. Of course, on screen, Hema Malini dancing to it. And Satyashil Deshpande has accompanied her in this song. It's a duet. Mainly her voice, but he is also, like in the beginning, has an alap, etc. So from Lekin, Jhoote Naina Bole, Sanchi Batiyan.
झूठे नैना बोले सांची बतियाँ झूठे नैना बोले सांची बतियाँ नीत जाम खावे चाँद काले रतिया झूठे नैना बोले सांची बतियाँ झूठे नैना बोले सांची बतियाँ जानू जानू झूठे माही की जानू जानू झूठे माही की जात जानू जानू झूठे माही की जात किन सातन संग तुम काटी रात अब लिपटी लिपटी अब लिपटी लिपटी बनाओ ना बतिया झूठे नैना बोले सांची बतिया झूठे नैना बोले सांची बतिया
Asha ji was a legend beyond all imagination. The amount of things that she achieved despite tremendous obstacles and tremendous personal tragedies in her life is monumental. There is no way that I could be satisfied that I have paid homage to such a phenomenal artist in just one episode with 8 songs. But she is not someone who can be summed up in a handful of songs ever. So we'll have to keep coming back to her and keep doing tributes to her and picking more songs out of her magnificent repertoire to listen to over and over again. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you. And for those of you who've not, please go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.